What, Cooper? No. I just loaded it. Okay. I was like, where are you at? Then I just turn the corner and fucking shoot you in the nose. Are you gonna leave? It's the same pistol for every round.
Go!
Bro, you were the one who sat still.
What's this?
It's not the game's fault.
What the fuck? I couldn't even walk! It's the full auto again.
I thought it was the gray one.
No.
Your ass.
Bro, shut up. We both died once. Can't be calling me ass.
Because you are.
No. I was trying to knife you. Doing what? The revolver? Oh. I was like, what the fuck? It looked like you teleported through the wall.
I slid through the window. Oh,
That was a headshot too.
fucking way.
Get down, boy! Get on the floor! Huh? The warehouse?
Let's go.
Hey, oh, I thought you were still alive.
Raise me.
What the fuck were you doing?
I hate you.
What were you doing?
I hate you.
What were you doing though?
What the fuck? How you still one? I hate you, bro.
You don't hate
I
me.
love you.
Okay. Okay, new map.
Let's go. This gun's good if you can hit that shot. What? You just close behind me, bro. You just imagine you punching me in the face. You're walking backwards.
I know.
Where can we see the place? Oh, no.
If you see red boxes on my screen, you know I'm hacking, but I'm not. There's no red boxes in there. Missing all my shots. Got it. I'm missing all my shots. just gets shot.
I didn't even know you were shooting. I thought you were just running around.
No, I was trying to shoot you whenever you were trying to find your corner. Okay, new map.
I like this one.
Yeah, kind of. Jeez, you just sprayed me.
That was good. That was cool.
What the hell are you? Did you go the back way?